everyone, we're going to evaluate the limit using L'Hopital's rule with the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of sine of x to the power of tan x. So this limit leads to the indeterminate form 0 to the power of 0. So we're going to let f of x equal sine of x to the power of tan of x. And we're going to use this formula here to find our limit. So we're going to take the natural log of f of x, which is the natural log of sine of x, and then use your power property, so this will be tan of x. Now to get it into a form where I can use L'Hopital's rule, I'm going to write this as ln of sine of x divided by cotan of x, because tan of x equals 1 divided by cotan of x. Now it has a form that I can use L'Hopital's rule. So let's do that. Take the limit as x approaches 0 from the right. And we're going to take the derivative of our numerator, which is 1 divided by sine of x, times the derivative of sine of x, which is cosine of x. And I just put that in the numerator. Divided by the derivative of cotan of x, which is negative cosecant squared of x. All right. Now let's simplify this a little bit. This is going to give me the limit as x approaches 0 from the right. We have cosine of x divided by sine of x. So why do I write cosine? All right, sine of x. And this is going to be, and this is negative, 1 divided by sine squared of x. Now, this is the same as writing it as negative cosine of x divided by sine of x times sine squared of x over 1. So sine goes into sine squared at one time. So basically what we have is the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of negative sine of x, this one, times cosine of x. And when you plug in 0 and apply the limit, this is going to be negative 0 times 1, that equals 0. So the limit for our ln of f of x is 0. But we need to find the limit of f of x, not ln of f of x. That's why we use this formula. So basically we have the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of sine of x to the power of tan of x. And again, this is your f of x equals the limit as x approaches 0 from the right. And we're using this formula is e to the power of ln of f of x. We have this information. And just remember that e to the power of ln of a just equals a. And that's what we're looking for, our f of x. So we know that this is 0. So we have this as e to the 0 power, which equals 1. So that is your limit. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.